Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this tutorial I'll show you how to set up a stop loss and take profit on Bybit to manage your trades effectively. Let us get started. So guys, this is very simple. You just need to go to the trade tab right over here on the bottom center of the screen. And as you can see in here we have our trading tab. So what you need to do here, of course you need to choose which pair you want to trade. In my case it's going to be Bitcoin and USDT. After that guys, you just need to enter the value, order value right here, for example 50, just an example. After that, this TP/SL is going to be unticked. You need to tick it. So this is going to be our stop loss function. Okay, so press on TP/SL, right, like that. Then press on plus. And as you can see guys, right here, this is where the magic happens. In here you can choose your trigger price, increase, and you can just drag the slider, for example, to any percentage that you want. You will also see the trigger change in the price, as you can see, and also the percentage, and also stop loss trigger by change, also in percents, as you can see. So you can control everything the way you want. After that, just press on confirm. And that's basically the way it's done. It's very easy, guys. Now you know how to set up the stop loss and take profit on Bybit to manage your risk. And my friends, of course, don't forget we have some very cool and good discounts and affiliate links posted in the video description. Please check them out. And of course, thank you for watching.